Meaning of disgusting.
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 Disgusting. The word disgusting refers to something that causes strong feelings of revulsion, disgust, or aversion. It can be used to describe a variety of things, such as sights, sounds, smells, tastes, textures, behaviors, and attitudes, that are considered offensive, unpleasant, or repulsive to one's senses or values. When we encounter something disgusting, we may experience physical symptoms like nausea, gagging, sweating, or trembling, and emotional reactions like anger, fear, or sadness. Disgust is a natural and adaptive response to potential sources of infection, disease, or contamination, but it can also reflect cultural, social, or personal beliefs and biases.